Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot.
Hey, buddy. Are we at a new place? Well, we stayed here last year, but we're in a new room. We're back at Disney's Riviera Resort, and this time we have a DVC Deluxe Studio with a preferred view. And it's pretty incredible. It's pretty nice. Ernie's already started the room tour without me. He's already into the living room telling you what's over there. I'm gonna start here in the foyer where we have the closet right over here when you walk in, and it's a pretty large closet, I will say. Got the safe over there to the left, luggage rack, laundry basket, detergent, vacuum cleaner, ironing board, hangers, steamer, extra pillow and blanket. Lots and lots of space. We can totally fit all our stuff in here. It's gonna be fantastic. Come back out. There's a door right when you walk in, and you've got coat rack over here, as well as, I love this little shelf right here, where you can leave anything that you might forget on your way out the door, like your magic band, or your wallet, or your keys, or anything that you might need before you leave for the day. You can put on this shelf and then you won't forget it. And it also has your room occupied sign, so that you can sleep in, and housekeeping will come back later if you are off to Neverland. Over here to the left, you have the bathroom, which is pretty huge. It's actually got two sides. So over here you have the toilet with extra towels, some lovely artwork over here on the wall, and you have a nice stand-up shower, two shower heads, huge space, lovely bench, very fancy. Similar to the ones we have at Polly. Very good. Come back out. Over to the second half of the bathroom, you have the tub, which is quite nice. Single shower head on this side. Little shelf over here so you can put your bath products. And then if you need any, you have your body wash, conditioner, and shampoo here attached to the wall with some more towels. A little bit of counter space here by the sink, only one sink, and a little shelf up there for your things that you might need to stack. Bath products over here, and two body lotions, there you go, body lotions and soap. Under here you have more towels and your hair dryer. Coming back out into the main room, there is a full-length mirror here on the side before you get to the kitchenette. As we said, this is a DVC Deluxe Studio, so we do have a little kitchenette here, which is quite nice because we're big fans of the microwave. Anything that we have left over food-wise, it's always nice to heat up in the microwave. And then you also have your full-size coffee maker with all of your coffees and teas, paper towels, over here on this side, bowls, can openers, wine opener, forks, knives, plates, mugs, and then toaster, ice bucket, glasses, all the things you would need. Down here, more paper towels, more soap, some dish towels, and underneath here, under the sink, is your recycling. Very good. Now, one of my favorite features, this fridge, oops, open it to the right side there, also has a freezer section. Hooray! Love a fridge with a freezer section. Even if it's just a little one, it's nice to have. I like it. You can leave things that need to be frozen with Bell Services. They will help you out, but I enjoy when we have one in the room. That's quite nice. Another little trash can right here. Over here, this is a Murphy bed for your 5th sleeper. So should we show you that now before we get to the real bed? Yeah, why not? We'll mix it up. So we're gonna pull this down, and light comes on. 5th sleeper. Very cute artwork. Little friends taking a nap. Comfy. Looks good. Fairly easy to get up and down. Not too heavy. There we go. And then you also have outlets and USBs here under the TV. Very nice big TV. Very good. Over here after that, you've got Ernie napping under one of the chairs. We've mentioned before in videos, we'll mention it again. This hotel is not pet friendly. Only service dogs are allowed to stay at this hotel. That is with most DVC resorts except for Fort Wilderness Cabins. There are DVC that over there that are pet friendly. But at this hotel, regular doggos, sorry to say, not allowed. Only service dogs are welcomed here at Riviera. You also have a nice mirror here on the wall and some additional outlets should you need to charge your devices. 2 USBs and 2 regular plugs. Nice little storage area under here on this table. These pull out both sides. You can fit lots of things. Also really like that that's a really good table just for like having your breakfast in the morning. And the bed, I'm kind of loving because look at, you have all that storage space underneath, plus you have these little drawers right here. So not only is it a real bed, the last time we stayed at Riviera, we had the Tower Studio, which is a Murphy bed. This is a real bed, and look at all that storage you have underneath. Very nice. And the bed looks super comfy. You have your little device over here for your needs and your helps and your magical things that happen when you say those words, which I will not, because I will not activate it like I have in previous videos. A couple of lights, so let's show you those. Here, whoops, there, and there's one up there. I'll turn this one on over here. We'll switch. Voila. Very good. Very nice. Phone over here. If you need anything, we actually need to call Bell Services and have them bring our luggage. We've got 3 drawers also here on the nightstand where you can store more things. And then, should you require, this couch here is also another bed. You would just pull this down right here, which I don't know if I can do by myself. I'd probably need a second person. So we'll show you that a little bit later on. But I like that painting. Looks very nice. Couch looks super comfy. And we'll show you our balcony, which this is a preferred view. So we're over the water, looking at Caribbean beach. Very nice, very calm. Got a little beach over there. 2 chairs out here at the table. You've got, oh, looks like you can almost see the splash pad over here on the right. I'm not gonna get too close to that in case there are kids playing. I don't want to film over there if there's kids playing. But it looks like over here on the right in the bottom, we have a little view of the splash pad. So this looks very pretty. We're on the east side. Don't believe we'll see fireworks from over here, which is completely fine for Ernie. He is not a fan. But if we need to see fireworks, really we can just go downstairs and look up and we'd be able to see Epcot, which we saw from our Tower Studio last year. And if you missed that video, we'll go ahead and link that in the description box below so you can watch that. And, oh, I like that artwork over there on the wall. That's pretty. Mademoiselle Mouse. Super cute. All right. So we're here for 3 nights over Christmas. We might put up our little tree somewhere, maybe here on the table. We'll put up our little tree, make it a little festive in here, and it's gonna be great.